What we're aiming for today in this video is to do a landscape that's something like this. This is what we're aiming for. I did these earlier so you could see the type of thing that we're shooting for. So we've got some beautiful fall colored trees in the background, some tree trunks, some water, some rocks and a bank. So a lot of things that we can work on today, and really takes your art with alcohol ink more toward a fine art level, which is kind of nice. Okay, so that's the kind of thing we're aiming for. And when we talk a little bit about design, what I mean is that we don't want to be dividing the tile exactly in half and having half trees, half water. It's most pleasing to the eye if we can divide it unevenly, and certainly you'll hear talk of the principle of thirds, where there's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 that are all different. But mainly we want it to be interesting. So to provide interest, we want to not have things ending right in the middle of our painting, starting and ending in the middle, and to have uneven divisions in the painting. So that's the kind of thing that we're aiming for today. And we'll get started.